Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this baby. I finally got my February base box. I just received this today, this morning, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I received, what variation I have, and what's the theme for this box. So if you do not know what BoxyCharm is, it's a makeup subscription box where you can get skincare, makeup, makeup tools, or just skincare tools, hair tools, anything in that sort of beauty. It will come in this box, and I feel like BoxyCharm has been stepping up their game with brands that they are including in this box, and you know what they're gonna be showing you with sneak peeks and stuff like that. I haven't had any bad terrible experiences with BoxyCharm. Most of my experience has been good with them. Even when a product did explode in my box or something broke, they were very good to me with having to ship me out something better. And I remember back in December, they sent me a Ciate face highlighter, and they sent me a duplicate of it from another box. So they sent me something brand new, which was like the Natasha face glow. I'm gonna post a photo right here on what they sent me, which was really nice of them for them to send me that as like an apology of sending me a double of the Ciate one. This base box is $25, and you do get 5 products in total. And I do explain about the premium in a different video and the luxe in another video as well. And you can definitely check out their website on what subscription box that you want to receive. If you want to just receive the base box, like this little one with 5 products, that's totally fine. You can definitely sign up for that. You do have to wait on their wait list. So with this one, I feel like you get so much good stuff out of it that I feel like I haven't bought makeup in so long that I don't need to, because it's gonna come in this type of box. Not now, but maybe later. And I'm just really excited to see a lot of like good brands that I've seen on Instagram and on YouTube being included in this box. So enough talking, let's jump right into it. I didn't get a card in my box, which is a first. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys everything in here, and I'm gonna post the prices on the screen because BoxyCharm posts it on there anyway. So the only difference is I can't tell you what variation I have. So I'm just gonna be showing you what I received, but it's just strange that I didn't get a card, like a little card explaining every of the products. So the first one is by Luxy. This is the complete sponge set, Bake Contour Detail Sponge Set. And this is how it looks, and I'm really excited for this because I like trying new sponges, like to see which one is better than the Beauty Blender, which one is better than Real Techniques one. Right now, the one that I really love is the one from Shopmimiartistry, their dollar sponge, but it's like the extra spongy soft one, the really light pink one. That one's really nice for $1 and some change. So definitely check that out. So I want to see, I'm curious. Comes in this cute little nude box, which is really adorable. Oh, it slides out. That's awesome. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, so this is the light one, and it has like this cut right here, so you can get right under your under eye, or like do like a sharp under like reverse contour, and it comes with like the pointy part for blending out your concealer. But then they have the regular one, which is this one. And this one feels a little hard, but I want to see how it feels when you wet it, because it could be a little different in texture wise. And then this is the little one, which is so cute for like the under eye. Okay, this next product is by Ciate London. This is their Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, and I like that they're including Ciate into this BoxyCharm subscription. So I never heard of this. Okay, so this is so cute. This is how it looks, and I wonder, I'm curious to see if it does smell like coconut. So sorry about that, my camera just completely died and I had to charge it, and it's been 2 hours, so now I'm just going to continue on with the video. And plus I took a nap too. Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And this says that you apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Lightly dust all oil-prone areas using a fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. So this is how it looks. Really cute packaging with the little bow on it. And then this is the back of the component, and then it also says the name right there. So I'm curious to see, like, you know what, I'm not gonna open it because I'm moving and I have to keep this sealed so that way it doesn't like go all over the place inside the components. So yes, I'm gonna post a photo on here so you can definitely see how it looks and how everything is. So that's that. And then the next product is this Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes by Evios Skin. I never heard of this brand, so I may try this tonight for the next couple of days and see how I like it. So it says that balancing multifunctional anti-fatigue, cannabis sativa seed oil. So this has to do with cannabis oil and all of that stuff. Yeah, cannabis. Okay, we'll just have to give this a try, and I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about that. And this product, oh my god, I was like, I can't believe I have it, because I was looking at this at Sephora and I had it in my cart, so now I have it. And this is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, and it says it helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. And I want to know how much it comes. Oh, 28 pads, so that's not bad at all. That's like a whole month right there, almost a whole month. So this is how it looks, and it says white pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. So I'm definitely gonna be using this tonight. And the last product is a product that I chose, that I wanted, and it was either this, I forgot what was the second product, but it was this is one of them, and this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I can't believe I have a foundation. This is in the shade Cashmere, so I want to know if this is my shade. It should look like my shade. Yeah, this is so cool. I think this is like the new packaging. It spit out a perfect little dot. I think that blended in pretty nicely. What do you think? And that is full coverage right there. Yeah, I think that's really, really good. Like, that's a really good match. You just have to buff it into the skin. So if you were wondering what shade I picked out Cashmere. And they're having like a Boxy pop-up right now. I already ordered something from there. So if you're interested in this foundation, it's on sale. I saw it on sale, so definitely check it out. All right, this is what I received in my February base box, and I don't know the variation to this one, so I'm so sorry to not tell you, but I am gonna add the prices, the full prices of each product, and I'm going to add the total on the screen like I always do. And I'm really happy with this box, I'm not gonna lie. There was maybe one thing that I wanted besides the foundation. I don't remember what it was, but I know I saw it on other people's variation boxes, but this one, it came to a surprise, and the facial radiance pads. So I'm really, really happy that I received this in a box, because I was thinking about getting it at Sephora, and I think originally is around $25 to $30 something. so I'm happy to receive it in this month's box. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for watching me unbox my February base box. If you have any questions, or if you want me to do any follow-ups on any of these products or any products that I've shown you in the past, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what did you receive in your box. I really would appreciate that, and it makes me happy to know that you guys are watching and interacting with me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That makes me happy, and it tells me that you guys like to see these type of videos. And let me know in the comments down below as well what you want to see next and what you want to see in a future video, as opposed to BoxyCharm or any other video. And definitely subscribe to my channel. There will be a button down below that you can hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and you can definitely hit that bell notification so you can be notified when my videos post. I will post my Instagram handles on the screen, so you can definitely check me out. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of great things on there, and also mini giveaways. I haven't been doing it for the past month, but I'm definitely gonna be getting back into doing the giveaways again once I'm settled down and everything like that. So definitely follow me on both my Instagram handles, and then also follow me on Twitter as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.